Simon Mwangi Muthiora rĩu nĩatarĩirie gĩtũmi gĩake gũkorwo atekwarĩrĩria ciĩgiĩ Jeff Mwathi, why he went silent on the matter of Jeff Mwathi. Na nĩ ũndũ mafans na arũmĩrĩri ake marakoretwo note recently atĩ Simon Mwangi Muthiora is no longer talking about Jeff Mwathi, na maragĩkorwo makĩmũria, na Simon Mwangi Muthiora rĩu nĩatarĩirie gĩtũmi gĩake why he went silent on the justice for Jeff matter. Na Simon Mwangi took to his social media pages na gũkorwo akĩrespond to all the questions iria arũmĩrĩri ake makoretwo makĩmũria moso ũhoro-inĩ ũyũ wĩgiĩ Jeff Mwathi, what happened, why he went silent, why he's no longer talking about it like he used to. Na Simon Mwangi agĩkiuga atĩ gĩtũmi gĩake gũkorwo atekwarĩrĩria Jeff Mwathi anymore nĩ ũndũ nĩarakorirwo akĩheo advice nĩ mawakiri ake kana the lawyers representing him, nĩarakorirwo akĩadvicewo on the matter, na agakiuga atĩ his silence is due to the advice he got from his lawyers. Na oho akaongerera na kuga atĩ acio makoretwo makĩmũria ciũria, for those who have been asking him questions ciĩgiĩ Jeff Mwathi, they should kindly direct them to the ODPP. Na oho Mwangi Muthiora agathiĩ na mbere kumbũra atĩ he's currently dealing with a lot. For one, otorĩa arakorirwo akiumbũra his dad is unwell and in hospital, na nĩarakorwo akĩgeria mũno gũtigĩrĩra atĩ his dad is comfortable through all this, na akaumbũra atĩ people should just give him a break because he's also going through a lot. Na Simon shared this akiuga, wait, just like everyone else, I like money. In fact, I love money. However, I am currently facing many money problems, including a sick father, loans, fees, and rent. Unfortunately, I will never make even a single cent from the daycare community. For those asking questions, please direct them to the ODPP. The lawyers that represent me do not tolerate any shenanigans, and my silence on the justice for Jeff matter is due to the advice of reasonable legal minds, not some inexperienced ambulance chasers. I am currently trying my best to make my sick father comfortable through thick and thin. It is worth noting that some of the individuals who are making accusations against me were initially reluctant to help, but only jumped in when it was inevitable. Give me a break. What happens to Muthiora? Are you curious about what becomes of a 45-year-old adult? I've pleaded day and night for support in my inbox, but some have refused to provide any backup. However, you will see a lot of me around. Simon Muthiora akĩitũrũra na gũkorwo agĩtarĩria maũndũ matiganĩte, na wa mbere akiumbũra gĩtũmi gĩake gũkorwo atekwarĩrĩria justice for Jeff Mwathi, na oho akiumbũra atĩ the dad is unwell, he's dealing with a lot right now, na agakĩhoya andũ makorwo makĩmũhe break. Right now he's dealing with a lot, na nĩakoretwo akĩrũĩra kĩhoto kĩa Jeff mũno, no thutha wa gũkorwo agĩtarwo nĩ mawakiri ake, he has to be silent on the matter now. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.